Morning, guys. Okay, let me check with the time at 7:39 a.m. So today is February 8th, 2024. Hello everybody, good morning. How y'all doing? And hope you have fantastic day. Well, first of all, I want to share this car here. Bobo driver, phone number, Facebook, YouTube channel, and I want to share this sign here. Looking for airport pickup, hotel transfer, daytour activities. Contact this number. So something I want to tell you guys is this is my car. It's brand new, and this is what I do for my job. I drive people, I do airport pickup, hotel transfer, and a lot more. So if you guys want to do a day tour, you can contact me. Bobo. My rate is 600K for a day, and I want to show you guys this is one of they have a machinery they're gonna use to clean up the beach. So where am I right now? I'm in Legianbeach, and today I'm gonna walk along the Legianbeach footpath. Will show you today's situation here. And well, as I mentioned earlier, I am recording this video on February 8th, 2024, and the time is 7:41 a.m. It's sprinkling right now. Okay, this is the beach. I want to say welcome to Legianbeach, everybody. It's still quiet. And then right here there is a restaurant. It's called One Room Cafe. Then over here you can, this place is open for a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They got awesome coffee, fresh juices, cocktail, and authentic food as well. Wow, it seems. Hey, good morning. Konnichiwa. From Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Wow, it seems there, yeah, as well I can see there are lots of people here on this warung, and well, look like all the beach bars are still closed. It's still too early. Hey, good morning. It's beautiful morning here. How you doing, guys? And this is the food. You can order something like a grilled fish, teriyaki, sweet sour, chicken popcorn. I am Kamangi for that, and a lot more over there. Well, it seems there many people are jogging, walking around the footpath. This is beautiful, beautiful, nice activity. It's so healthy. Well, something I want to say to you guys is the beach footpath is really good for people who want to do jog or running. Fresh air, beautiful beach, and Every day is this beautiful day. Well, the good thing right now, the rain has started to stop, but it's still sprinkling a little bit. I think it's gonna clear up. Have a look at the sky. It's so dark. Anyway, I also want to say thanks every one of you who's been subscribing my channel, as this channel is nothing without you. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Bob.
It's beautiful morning here.
Beautiful morning.
How's your morning?
Beautiful.
Okay, I want to show you this sign here. Horace John Bar. Cold drink for you, and they have, what is this? Dog picture? I don't know why they put dog picture on the beach bar. Yeah, this is a trash truck. They collect trash every morning from the beach, and there's the trash. Anyway, I'm gonna walk on the street, and if you guys wanna learn how to surf, there is a surf school here over there up front. It's called Up to You Surf School Bali. Okay, we are on the street right now, and this street is called Legian Street. I mean Ponte Legian Street. Got confused. I was just wake up. Well, actually this morning I woke up at 5 p.m. Then went to the airport. I have one person pick up. She's from Perth. Her name is Jess. Drop her to Canggu. She is staying there in one of the hotel over there. Is brand new hotel, and then I drove my car here to legianbeach and make this video. So I just want to show you guys legianbeach, Legian area, early morning. This is not even 8 o'clock yet. Then to the left of here is, this is a part of the hotel. It's called legianbeach Hotel. This hotel is 5-star hotel. I do have a room tour about this hotel one time before, so if you don't know about it, you can check them out on my YouTube channel down below. Selamat pagi, Pak.
Selamat pagi.
Apa kabar?
Dari mana, Pak?
Dari Denpasar. And wow, have a look. Coconut tree. And this is the new wall. It is cost a lot of money to build this new wall. I think I'm gonna go back on the beach. I am not this way, not this way. And after making this video, I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna have like a cheap breakfast they sell on scooter. So I might have like a little bit of chicken, a little bits of noodle, little bits of vegetable. Okay, I'm back on the beach, guys. You know, something I want to tell you about beach. Every time it's raining, the beach is dirty. Wow, it seems there are lots of young people here. They're gonna play soccer, I believe. Everybody's is kicking a ball. This must be school students. Wow. They're not from Bali, they're from eastern part of Indonesia, Papua. I can see it from their shirt. I want to show you this gate here. This is Legian main gate to the beach, and I want to show you this sign here. This is the beach sign, Untill Legian, and have a look at this sculpture. Well, it's so beautiful. A couple of young guys are surfing with Balinese attire, Balinese custom traditional. I mean Balinese traditional dress. Okay, let me take you to the beach, close to the water. I'm gonna take you up close to the water. The water is always warm here. And talking about the weather, the temperature today is 26 degrees Celsius, but it feels like it's 30 degrees. Precipitation is 5%, humidity is 90%, and the wind blows 11 kilometers an hour. So the wind is pretty good. 11 kilometers an hour, 10 kilometers an hour is best wind. And have a look, I can see there are lots of people are cleaning up the beach. Well, I can see there's so many people are on the beach already. The wave is pretty good. The water is not that clear, but it's still good. And I can see there is one, I don't know what to call that. I'm gonna call it heavy machine, removing the trash from one spot to another. Wow, this is how they clean up the beach, guy. Wow, I can see there are lots of coconut houses. A lot of coconut houses. Oh, don't run me over, guys. Wow, this is great. Yay. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, let me show you the water up close. Oh my god, I can see rainbow over there. I don't know if you can notice from this video, but there is a rainbow over there. The sun is getting stronger, and over here you can see there is a flag. It's red. So red flag, it means it's not really a swim zone. So if you guys want to swim, make sure not to swim in the area where they have red flag. And if you want to swim, make sure to swim in the flag. The color is red and yellow. So if you guys see any flag red and yellow color, there is the swimming zone. It's safe to swim. Well, When it's red, it means the water it has current. So make sure not to swim in the area where they have red flag. Well, it seems there are lots of look like this is a group of students. They're like a student group holiday. They're usually from Java Island. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the video until here, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video. And if you like, please give me the thumbs up, please share this video, and it really means a lot. I will see you guys again in my next video. I have tons of videos coming up, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.